Jatinga is a small village located in Assam, in northeastern India. The village is lush, green and scenic, surrounded by serene mountains. But that's not what it's famous for. In fact, Jatinga is well known for an entirely different reason: the bird mystery. Several migratory and local birds commit mass suicide during the monsoon season at the village. Hundreds of birds descend from the sky, attracted by the city lights, plummet to their death by crashing into buildings and trees. It seems that most of the suicidal birds lose their natural habitats due to the flooding during the monsoon season. So they appear to be migrating to other places, and Jatinga is in their migratory path. Isn't clear why the birds fly at night, or why they get voluntarily trapped at the same place every year between September and November. Despite the danger and the repeated performances every year, the birds continue to fly to their death. The phenomenon of avian harakiri, as locals call it, was first observed by the inhabitant tribe of the region in the early 90s. They believe that evil spirits from the sky send the birds to terrorize them. It frightened them so badly that they sold their land and left the place. The new inhabitants also observed the phenomenon, but interpreted it as a gift from God. Curiously, the birds that survived the crash do not attempt to fly away after they land near the lights. They look dazed and disheveled, perhaps due to the trauma of the whole shocking experience. However, contrary to the popular belief, birds do not commit suicide. Under circumstances not yet fully explained, these birds get caught in the monsoon fog and wind, get disoriented and seek solace of the light sources put out by the villagers. They hit against trees and other objects and get injured in their flight towards the light source. The bird's suicidal attempt becomes an easy target to the villagers. Some are brought down by a vigorous swing of bamboo poles. Others, perching on the trees and bushes near the light sources, are shot down by catapults. The phenomenon has captured the interest of wildlife circles and tourists, making the village of Jatinga world famous. The birds alone are responsible for a boost in tourism during the monsoon months, and they're quite delicious. Locals relish these exotic delicacies. The villagers deliberately switch on lights and lanterns to attract birds and capture them every year. To promote tourism, district authorities have created a festival about the suicidal birds, called the Jatinga Festival. Keep tuned. Next year, there will be another edition.